Hey guys, this is Jake from State Fun. Today we're going to be working on land clearing, part 2. So we've got some of the trees already down. I'm going to go ahead and pile those up and then cut some more down to pile up later. Go ahead and sit back and relax and enjoy. Hey guys, so I've got a little bit of stuff here to chop up with the chainsaw, so figured I'd bring y'all over. Let's see what I got. Set you down and let you watch me cut some stuff up. Alright guys, Oliver seems to have lost his stick, so let's see if we can help him find it. Where's your stick? Go get your stick, Ollie. Let's go get your stick. Let's go, come on. It's over here. You're so close to it. It's over here. Ollie, Ollie, it's in the ground right there. There it is, yeah! Got the stick. We got a lot of the area cleared out. Nice big brush pile here behind me. I'm gonna go ahead and walk you around and show you the area we got cleared out, and then show you what the next section is and the plan for that. So I was working kind of over here. I believe this is probably about the back side of the house. Might be standing on like the side porch, side deck area. So this will be kind of backyard, and we're somewhat expecting that this nice flat area here will actually be one of the spots that the water perk will want to see, the perk test guy. So I want to go ahead and get some of it cleared out. I am going to continue to clear out a lot of those trash trees back in there, starting over here, all back through there, and then all along up through there. Got some bigger trees too that I may or may not have to take out. Over towards the gator, we're looking at the back of the house right now technically. Back door of the house will be, and the front will be kind of up there, not all the way to the gator. We're going to try and keep some of those trees, the beech tree and some of that other stuff. So now I'm going to start clearing out some of the trees that are kind of in the middle of the house right now. We've got some bigger down trees right here. Take the chainsaw and rip all the side limbs, all the little limb pieces off. Get those ripped off, chop it to a manageable length. Some of them I've already got cut a little bit. And we'll get that pulled out of the way, and then I'll set up another camera and we'll start pulling from further back up there, pulling those trees out of the way and getting that area visible again. And then we'll figure out what areas need to be cut down some more. So obviously some of these bigger trees here are going to have to come down because they're in the middle of the house right now. I don't know, we might take some of it, split some wood and have some campfires. Once we lay it down, we want to be able to get to it, chop it up. So clear out all the underbrush that I've already cut down, and then get some other people over to help pull those trees and cut them off. So the winter time here, all the ground gets really soft and muddy, and we've been driving the gator up and down where it's going to be the driveway and just kind of tearing everything up. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut out some of the trees on the sides and widen it up a little bit, and take those trees and go ahead and chip them up here with the Harbor Freight chipper over here, and maybe let the chips and mulch hopefully give us a little bit of a protection layer between the mud and the gator tires. So let's get started. guys, thanks for watching. That'll wrap up land clearing part 2. Got a nice big stack of wood here behind us. We'll be continuing this on, so if you like the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to follow along with our progress. And well, y'all have a good one.